Hey, what's going on, guys? Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com. Now today we're gonna do a skin taper fade with a curly top, kind of a messy look. Right here, we're pretty much just clearing out the side, clearing out the bulk on the side so we can start our taper. Right here, we're gonna grab our skin T outliner and create our skin line. And we're gonna do the same thing on the back. We're just clearing out the bulk area and just getting ready for our skin line. So we're gonna do the same thing on each side. Now, this guy pretty much told me he didn't want to really touch the top. This is his first time coming to me at this time. And he pretty much said he had nightmares with other barbers. When they did take it down, they pretty much would take off too much. And then when he would wash his hair, it would be too dense. And it would look like he didn't have any hair on top. And he likes that long hair look. So I pretty much listened to him because he's the customer and the customer is always right. So what we're doing here is basically clearing out the bulk with a number 2 guard. We're gonna drop to our 1.5, followed by the 1, then followed by the half, and then followed by the 0 to completely blend the hair. Now I did want to listen to him and take his advice. This is my first time cutting him. He loved the haircut when we were finished, so I know he'll be back. And you got to build that trust with your clients, guys. You want to build that trust, and you want to make sure that they continue to rock with you. You know, just listen to them. You can give them advice all you want, but pretty much people know what they want and they know how they want it to look. So we're gonna do the same thing on the back, guys. 2, 1.5, 1, half, and then we're gonna skin it out. So we're gonna go over the top. We're gonna freehand it, but again, he doesn't want that much off. So you gotta be really, really careful with your clients. You know, you gotta build that trust, of course. And that's pretty much what we did with this haircut. I would have liked to have take it down a little bit more, but in the future we'll take it down some more. You know, I'm sure I'll see him again. He really liked the haircut, so we'll take it down more next time. So we completely blended out the back. We pretty much skinned it out. As you can see, we're gonna go ahead and just, you know, make sure everything is clean. And then we're gonna do the same steps on the left side of the head as well. So let's start on the left. We used our 2, we dropped down to our 1.5. We're gonna drop down to our 1, and then our half, and then we're gonna completely skin it out. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start our lineup. So we're gonna go ahead and start lining up the back. And as you can see, as the line gets onto the haircut, you can see it pretty much creates the hair. Like, no matter how the hair looks, if that taper is nice and blended and you start your lineup, you know, it doesn't matter what's on top. It pretty much makes the haircut look pretty good. And that's what he wanted, you know, so we pretty much went with that. We're gonna go around the ear and just make sure that it's nice and rounded around the ear as well. And you can see the haircut really starting to pop out. We're gonna start our headline. We're gonna start shaping that up as well. Kind of like grazing over the front end of the hair that was hanging down. I was using my outliner pretty much to shape it as well. So the best way I can really explain the haircut is pretty much like I did, like kind of like a flat top look on the sides, and then pretty much shaped it up. So we're gonna do the same thing over here on this side, shaping it up, going around the ears, giving it that rounded look. Same thing over here. We're gonna go ahead and start this shape up in the front as well. Now again, we're gonna go ahead and go over the top, freehand it just a little bit, not too much. Any of the hair sticking out is what he told me. And pretty much making sure that it's nice and shaped. Again, it's not like an afro look. It's pretty much gonna be like a messy look. So probably gonna apply a curly sponge on there when he gets home or something like that, just pretty much to give it that curly look. But any of the ends that were hanging out, we pretty much got them and just pretty much shaped them up. And this is what we have. He loved the haircut. If you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. Jay here from EasyBladeShavingProducts.com.